Controls. I'm your host, Tim Wilson. Thank you for joining us. This is a special edition of Evolution in Control. We're here at Morrell's headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, at the Automate the Future event. It's being held in conjunction with the Automate 2022 show in downtown Detroit. We're talking to customers, we're talking to vendors, we're talking to our partners about technology, the future, and automation in general, where it's headed. Today I have a special guest with us. I have Bruce Kinney with us. Bruce, thank you for joining.
I appreciate it, Tim. It's an honor.
So, what's your job, Bruce? What do you do?
Well, presently I am the director of sales for an integrator. They're called Wooshin Systems. They've been in America probably here about 12 years. Our major customers are General Motors, Ford, and we drive toward Stellantis. And right now we're really big in body and white solutions, welding, assemblies, framing, and the new business obviously is battery. And that's our focus right now today.
So you're driving towards the big plant-wide complete integration solutions.
Yes, presently we're doing the Ford Raptor line, which is a add-on to the Ford Ranger. Okay. So we did the original Ranger globally, 4 plants and body and white area, and then we're adding the Raptor to their line. Okay. But General Motors is also a focus customer, along with Stellantis, and battery is where they're spending a lot of their time and money. So that's kind of our focus, and we do a lot right now in the battery assembly side.
So you're really focusing on the new technology trends in the automotive industry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yep. Did you get a chance to go to the Automate show in downtown Detroit?
I did.
Were you surprised? Did anything stand out to you?
You know, I was a little bit disappointed. I thought I would see some innovation, but all we seen was a lot of robotics, and then we seen a lot of the same stuff that we're getting every day. Everybody's got a servo, everybody's got a robot, everybody's got a vision. I did not see much that really was outstanding to me.
You didn't see the next groundbreaking?
I did not.
Okay.
Myself personally, but don't forget, I am in the sales side of the business, and I'm looking for the innovative side to be able to see what's out there, and I did not see the innovation in that show.
Well, let's talk about technology then, and technology as it relates to automation and the future. But let's look at the past for a moment. What do you think has been the most impactful technological advancement as it relates to automation?
I believe, obviously, robots are the big. Everybody wants to go to robotic technologies to do mundane tasks. The thing that I seen today was everybody had a robot for doing assembly and assembly of parts, but I did not see any innovative technologies other than what everybody else could do. There were 5 different robot companies that were doing the same pick and place. Everybody's trying to do it with vision. They're trying to pick out of a rack. It's not been successful. There's not a big success in vision technologies that I've seen, and I did not see anything today that was actually going to change the industry.
What kind of technology is going to have a significant impact on the business that you're presently involved in?
I believe the vision part of a robotic pick and place, or a robotic pick, or a robotic taking parts from racks is going to be, because it's all manual today. In the body shop, you have a lot of rack picking, but it's pretty automated. They do it with vision. But in the final assembly area, and including like the battery assembly, you need a lot of picking of parts out of racks. So it's going to be, I really believe it's robotic interface with vision. There's going to be
robotic interface with visual.
That's what I think.
What about conveyance technology? We hear a lot about linear motors being fast and being more powerful. Do you see conveyance being an area where technology could be really impactful?
I do, but honestly, I walked around the plant floor today, and all I seen was 30 different servo manufacturers trying to sell their products.
Okay.
And everybody, I don't know what was incorporated in the parts distribution, in the conveyance. AMT had a really nice booth, but other than that, there wasn't a lot of technologies that gave you the comfort that they could pick either off a conveyor or out of a rack or out of any kind of position. And that is, I think, where we're lacking. We really are lacking in that area.
Well, you and I have been in business a long time. We're about the same age. Where do you see the next 5 years or even 10 years? If you look down the road, what do you expect to see?
In business, where I'm at, is battery. Battery is where they're spending all the money. Body in white, final assembly is also a big area because they have to put the vehicles together. But I think battery is the big solution. I think for like the conveyance side, there's a tremendous amount of opportunity. If you look, we've done multiple battery systems. We've used the Bosch system over in Korea multiple times in our battery assembly, but the conveyance side of the business is going to be very important to bring a product to the line, Getting people out of the manual operations is going to be very important. So robotics and vision so conveyance, robotics, vision, I think are the three key things that I see that we're doing as a company to be able to assemble batteries in the past.
Bruce, I appreciate you taking the time to talk to us today. Thank you so much. It's very interesting to hear your perspective on it. I like it. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. I'm Tim Wilson, the host of Evolution and Controls. Remember, keep moving.